So we're here today at Ware to support carers and to let them know what technology support is out there for them.
It helped me to know that people were caring all the time, even caring for carers. And I think that's the great asset of carers in Hertfordshire. They look after you and give you confidence.
The event today has been very helpful, everybody's been very friendly and the cake has been fantastic.